Welcome back to Tax Talk with Hey Hey, where we offer simplified tax planning and mentorship to help 6 and 7-figure CEOs ditch the daily hustle by achieving financial independence from your business by increasing your purchasing power and diversifying your source of passive income. Through financial mentorship, realistic goal setting, and simplified tax planning, without having to hustle for the rest of your life, with the guarantee of the optimal roadmap to move you towards your desired time freedom. Welcome back, everyone, to Tax Talk with Hey Hey. My name is Suhey Piedra, and I'm an enrolled agent here with Prominence Business, and we're located in Glendora, California. Federally licensed to work with clients across the United States, though. So today's podcast, I want to talk about tax season's over. So are we celebrating? Are we kicking back and waiting for next year's tax season to roll about? No, we should not. We should be starting our tax planning. Tax planning starts today. If you haven't already started, it's a great time to begin. So what is tax planning and what does all that entail? It starts by us reviewing the 2022 tax return and what went well and what went not so well. Where can we improve? I encourage you to look at your 1040. It's line 16 and line 24 to determine how much of your hard-earned money did Uncle Sam really take from you. When you look at those numbers, use those numbers to help fuel that energy you need to begin planning, to begin working on what can you do currently before the year's over to create those strategies you need to create those write-offs. Because remember, it's not about can I write this pen off, it's how can I write this pen off? Those are the kind of questions you need to be asking your preparer. Those are the kind of questions you need to be talking to your tax strategist about. It's, is what can we do to reduce our tax liability? There's so many strategies out there. Not all of them do you qualify for, but doesn't mean that you can't qualify for them. It's how do you tweak, how do you adjust your business so that you could qualify for those tax write-offs or those tax strategies and those tax credits. But you got to know what's out there. So discuss those kind of things, look for those kind of things, and see where you and your business can make those adjustments to make sure you take advantage of all of the things that are out there and available for you. Another thing that I kind of wanted to talk about a little bit is making sure that your bookkeeping and all your accounting records are, in order. So many times do I hear when people come in and we're doing their taxes and they're like, next year, I'm going to be much better prepared. I promise as soon as I leave here, I'm going to start putting all my records in order, keeping all my books, all my bookkeeping in order. And then next year rolls around and they're in the same boat. We get busy with our own business. We are doing and running and operating our own things that we don't have the time, to keep the books or to look at those numbers. And so before you know it, the year rolls around and here we go again with the same bad habits. I encourage you to use accounting software. There's so many things out there you can use. You can call us to get a couple of ideas of, we have Excel sheets that we could share with you that may help you. Or, we offer the bookkeeping service as well. So just give us a call and we can see what best fits you and your business. For the individuals that are W-2 earners, you want to look at, am I fully funding my 401k? Am I maxing out my HSA? What kind of write-offs as a W-2 earner can I possibly be taking now? So those things are important to look at now that we are in 2023 to make sure that we're ready for when the year's over, that we don't have to make this huge lump sum contribution, that we're not scrambling trying to find things, that we don't go buy a car that we really didn't need, but we need the write-off, so might as well. It's like there's so many things we could do today that are going to be more beneficial to you and your business than scrambling at the end of the year and just buying whatever it is that you could just possibly buy because you didn't properly plan. So I encourage you to take the time now, plan, and look at things now that we are still in the beginning of the year and have those extra months to make things happen. It's a lot easier to divide things over 10 months, 9 months versus, it's December and we have to make this lump sum contribution or expense. Remember to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, all our social media platforms. Visit our website at prominencebusiness.com and subscribe to our newsletter where we will be dropping more knowledge bombs for you. And we will catch you guys on the next podcast. Thank you. So if your mindset is ready to excel to the next level and you want to give up the multiple hats to a business who will support you, then schedule a call with us today. We can be reached at 626-825-8249. Please give us a review and share us with your friends and family.